Hello everyone and welcome to my beauty channel. I love these surprise deliveries from Catrice. Thank you so much for sending them. Ooh la la, what a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And this is a liquid shimmer eyeshadow. A nice bronzer that I feel everyone can use. A bronzy highlighter, perfect for a summer glow. And a pink nudish lipstick. I will start with my eyes and use this as my transition shade. Blend that into the crease and bottom lashes. Then I will add this beautiful purple color just below my transition shade and blend the harsh lines. Apply the same color to the bottom lashes. And snap, a cut crease, if only it was that quick. With the dark purple shade, blend the outer corners of the cut crease to soften the look. Now I'm adding the transition shade on my eyelid. I like a shimmery lip for the inner corners of my eye, but you can add a light matte color too. Wow, what a difference! I quickly did my lashes and eyeliner off camera. This bronzer is perfect. It's not too light and not too dark. I will use this to warm up some areas on my face. To get that summer glow, add some highlighter to your cheekbones, tip of your nose and your cupid's bow. Oh man, I love this lippy. This is the perfect color to complete this look. Thank you so much for watching. Show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Until next time, mwah!